What's good, everybody? It's your boy Mark Summers, Major Linux, MajorLinux.com, and I'm coming to you with yet another unboxing. Today, I've got the Xbox Elite Series 2 controller. Of course, yes, I know the Xbox Series X and the Series S is coming out, but I'm not going to be picking that up. I'm not picking either of those up. Sticking with my Xbox One X, sticking with PC for the time being. But I did want to pick up a new Elite controller. My old one is experiencing some controller drift, and I'm also like running out of Xbox controllers for the same reason, for one reason or another. I don't know. So I wanted to pick up something nice to have for when I'm playing more games on PC that require a controller, when I'm playing some more Xbox. So without any further ado, we're gonna open this bad boy up. So we're gonna flip this over here. Let's see, we got. Oh, almost thought I needed a knife, but it seems like we've got this easy open tab here. So I'm gonna pull that to do nothing. Well, no, it made it easy. Made it a little bit easier to open. I'm gonna make sure though we're good here. Make sure that's good and separated, or just pull that off. Keep it over here and flip that back over so we can lift the box open. Okay, to make sure it can lift. There was nothing else that's gonna stop me. Oh my! Why? Why? Just open, dude. Oh well, that would explain it. There's actually some more tape right here, so yeah, let's go ahead and remove that. That should make this a lot easier now to open. Look at that, or maybe not. So close. Oh boy. Come on. See, why couldn't this be as easy to open like an iPhone or like my Google Pixel? It's like they put the easy to remove tab on there, but it still seems to cover the part of the box that I would need, to actually give me some give. Look at that. That's so much better. All right, so the box is open, and of course now you've greeted with this case right here. This is similar to the case that you got with the Xbox Elite Series 1 controller. Feels about the same. I think there's maybe a little bit different design on the front. Make sure there's nothing else. Oh, yep, there's definitely some other stuff here in the box. Looks like in here you're going to get nice braided USB Type A to Type C. Where is it? There he goes. Type A to Type C cable. So you got that. Of course, yes, this controller does have Type C support in it, and don't worry, I'm gonna redeem that before. Or you know what? That's Game Pass Ultimate. I'll leave that there for a little bit. So of course, you got the booklet here. More about like how to, I guess, how to use the controller, all the features of the controller. And you got product and regulatory info. Hopefully y'all got that code, because might be the last time y'all see it. And yep, that's it for the box. So yeah, let's just toss all this back in here and yeet. Bring this back, of course. So again, this is the controller case here. We're gonna open this up. All right, here we go. So yes, this is the Elite Series 2 controller here. I'm gonna pull this out. So we've got, this is the tension adjuster or something like that. I don't know. It's probably in that book somewhere. Of course, we got different height sticks. Got the short ones here. Wait. Yeah, this one's like convex. That's concave. Got two concave ones here. These two are kind of concave. I don't know. It doesn't seem like they're longer. Well, this one seems longer. I don't know. I don't know what's going on here, but you got different stick layouts here. I think this actually increases or decreases the tension of the sticks. Got your D-pad here, which of course I'm gonna. Come on, you're not gonna focus on that. Oh, you're too busy focusing on the controller. Let's see here. There we go. Yeah, I'm gonna take this D-pad. I'm gonna put it right down here. So yeah, I'm gonna place that because I prefer to have the D-pad than the little disc. Put the disc back. So yeah, got the D-pad. Also, this one actually is kind of better suited. So this controller is actually better suited for the Series X and Series S. It does actually have this button in the middle. Actually, no. I'm sorry. That button is for profile. Is like for the different profiles. It's actually not the share button that's coming on the new Xbox Series S or the Xbox series of controllers. Yeah, so that switches the profiles with these lights right here in the middle. Will kind of represent. You have 3 different like button layouts for your games. Of course, you got your shoulder buttons here. You got your textured triggers right here. So yeah, look at that. Yeah, look at that. Look at that texture. That's nice. Of course, there's flip, but over on the back, of course, you got the back buttons here. These programmable paddles. Hardware switches that where you can kind of control how far the triggers go back. One thing you'll probably notice on this controller that is very different on Xbox controllers is there is no battery pack on here. The battery is actually built into the controller. You cannot change it, so there's no AA batteries to install. There are no plain charges you can install. You just set the charge of the controller. You can charge it through USB Type-C, which is up top here. Of course, down here, you've got the built-in, chat little thingy that you can put in there. You got your headphone jack there. But also too, as you can probably see on the back here, there's a little contacts. Essentially, and I did not know this, the controller actually comes with a charging stand. So you can actually plug in the charging stand using USB Type-C, and you can set your controller like that on top. Or is that how it goes? I don't know. It looks like it would just sit. Or am I doing this upside down? I think I am. I was doing this upside down. So yeah, it sits like that. You put your controller on top like that. It's magnetic, so you can actually lift it up. I guess you can keep it attached. I don't know. It is magnetic, but not very magnetic. But yeah, so I set that there. Put the controller on top. You can charge it. So that's everything with the Xbox Series X. The Xbox Elite Series 2 controller. I can't wait to start using it. Tell me what you think. You can leave a comment down below. And I guess I'm gonna go in. Oh, whoa, wait, one more thing. I forgot. I'm sitting there filling all over this controller and kind of forgot to mention it too. As you can probably see here too, it's got the textured grip on it, and this feels really good. It's actually, I know in the Series 1, the Elite Series 1, like it was on the back, like this textured grip was just on the back of the controller. Now it's actually wrapping around the whole controller. So yeah, this thing feels a lot better to use. I cannot wait to actually start using this now. But yeah. So again, yeah, tell me what you guys think. Leave a comment below. Like, share, subscribe, do all that stuff. I don't know, like, comment, subscribe. I don't know what the YouTubers are saying these days. But yeah, tell me what you guys think. Until next time, peace out.
Oh, hey, thanks you for watching the video. Hope you really enjoyed it. Of course, really help me out if you like, comment, and subscribe, and click the little bell icon so that you can get notified of many more videos that appear on this channel. Thank you, and peace out.